So I have a reminiscent video for you today. Years ago, I did PINCHme unboxings, and they reached out to me recently and sent me a box. And they said, hey, do you want to do an unboxing on your channel? I immediately say yes, because I used to love PINCHme. Now it's a subscription service that is 100% free that allows its members to try out samples of stuff. So why not, right? It's free. It was free for me. It's free for you guys. I'm going to put a link to PINCHme in my description if you wanted to sign up. It's super fun. I love getting free samples. I don't know about you guys. Every time I go to stores like Ulta and Sephora, I always ask them for free samples, especially at the front desk. I'm like, hey, do you have any free samples? I'm always looking for those little sample size mascaras. So they sent me a box. They curated it for me. I'm going to see what's in here. And yeah, I've been dying to open this box for days. It came days ago. Think about it like Birchbox, but free, with no credit card required and no shipping. So, all right, let me open this. Let me open this up. I took my little nail file-y thing and I sliced it open, but I didn't open it yet. It's heavy. Oh, it's a box within a box, so the actual box doesn't get all jacked up. Look. So pretty. It says, try products from leading brands for free. I love that. Let me get my sharp Q-tweezers. My sharp tweezers. Stuff is in here. I recognize some name brand stuff in here, guys. Let's go through. This is the Living Proof Curl Conditioner for waves, curls, and coils. Matt has curly hair. He can use this. Living Proof is a good brand. I constantly use Living Proof. Their dry shampoo, they have 2 of them. Amazing. My favorite dry shampoo. Favorite. Next, a hydration intense hydrating mask, Moroccan oil. This is a big sample. This is not, and I don't have that much hair, so this is like probably 2 tries. Okay, so next in the box we have a Burt's Bees Prep Smooth and Nurture Your Lips. It looks like a lip primer. I didn't know that Burt's Bees did a lip primer. Oh, let's smell this. At first I thought it was just like a lip balm. Lip primer? Yes, I have one lip primer and it is beyond expired. Let's open this up. Okay, it smells like beeswax. I thought it smelled like cocoa at first. It doesn't. It's definitely on the thicker side. Okay, it's a little dry. All right, I'm gonna have to try this. I haven't heard anything about this, so hey, it's free, it's for me. Next thing in the box, this is from the Body Shop. This is shower cream, creme douche. It's the Shea for dry skin, nutty and cream. Let's smell this, guys. The Body Shop has some really great product. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That smells really nice. Okay. Hey. You know, it's funny. I was just making a joke. I was making a joke about the mascara. There's a mascara in here. This is the Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Extreme Volume Lash Tint Effect. So lashes volumized from root to tip. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll give this a go. I'll put this in my mascara pile of mascaras I'm trying out. Well, the picture looks very promising. The next thing in here is called, where are my new glasses? Let me get out my new glasses. I'm struggling here and I could be wearing my new glasses from Firmu. Yes, yes, there it is, there it is. Okay, this is the Natura Ecos Bi-Phase Shower Oil. So it replenishes the skin, anti-signs for body. And this is Tukuma. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that. How to use. Shake the product to mix the 2 phases. Apply on damp skin, massage with circular motions, quickly rinse to remove excess oil. Let's open this up. Oh, okay, so that makes sense. It's like this dual, it's got like 2, and I guess you shake it up. Yeah, so you must put, after you're almost done with your shower, you put this on in the shower, then you quickly rinse it off. All right. Hey, listen, I've never tried anything like that, so we're gonna try it. Next is from Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, Kylie Cosmetics. This is Bunny Matte, and this looks like a matte liquid lipstick. Okay, look at this shade. This is my shade. I love this shade. This is like the shade of 20 of my lipsticks. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you. Oh, here's another Moroccan oil, a weightless hydrating mask. All this is free, guys. All you have to do is sign up. Free, free, free is for me. Whenever I bring home free food for my husband, I go, how does it taste? And he goes, it tastes free. Exactly, free. Oh, this is a big one. This is like a full size. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Hydrating Cream Cleanser, non-drying formula. This is a big one. Okay, let's see if I can, oh no, it's closed. I don't want to open it up because I'm not going to use it right now. Have you guys used this before? Have you tried this? I have not tried this. There's a couple more things in here. There's three more things. This is the Eden Nourishing Travel Mask. This is a facial toning mix, a mist, a hand cream, and a lip balm. Hello, free. And it says free drawstring pouch included. You guys don't mind my glasses. They're cute though, aren't they? The company sent them to me for free. PR, Firmu, and I put a little short with the link. Actually, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in these glasses. They're really inexpensive. Okay, hand cream. It's got this cute little pouch. It's got the hand cream, it's got the toning mist, and it's got the little lip balm. Okay, I've never heard of this brand, Eden. I like their packaging. It's very minimal. Oh, I know this brand, even New York City. This is a primer with argan oil, sunflower seed oil, 10 benefits, 1 miracle formula for all hair types. It's a primer for your hair. Okay. All right, we'll give that a go for sure. Oh, and the last thing, makeup remover wipes, which we can use right now because I have Kylie Jenner on my hands. To test it out. This is the Aveeno Calm and Restore Makeup Removing Wipes for sensitive skin. So the makeup remover wipes I usually use are these. These are the simple ones, and they're kind of expensive. So I'm happy to get some freebies. Come on, let's see if we can get this lipstick off. It's very soft. Whatever the liquid or lotiony makeup remover they have on here, it's very soft. Wow. If it wasn't too early, I'd just wipe off my face right now. I love them. Okay. Well, if you guys are interested in PINCHme, I'm going to put all the information below for you guys. I'm going to put it all below for you guys. So if you want to check them out, it's totally free. It's free stuff. We love free stuff. I've actually been to their headquarters in New York City years ago, and I did like a live unboxing on a Tuesday. I believe on Tuesday they do their unveiling for their week, you know, of their freebies. So if that's not true, forgive me, but I'm going to put all the information down below for you guys. All right, that was my unboxing. I love PINCHme. I worked with them for years. I mean, I used to do unboxings for them all the time. So I was so excited when they reached back out. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, sign up. It's free. This is not a paid advertisement. And but they did send me this stuff for free, and I love free. Can I say free again? Okay, goodbye. Enough.